My name is Annabel Grimm, and I found Rejuvené because I had a dermatologist in the same building, so I stumbled upon Rejuvené and was interested in some of their services. I went with CoolSculpting. I had heard a little bit about the procedure and was interested in kind of the natural way of getting rid of the fat cells with no downtime. I wasn't really too sure what to expect because my hesitation was that it sounded too good to be true, so that it may not work. After I met with Heather for our consultation, she really talked me through the process and how everything worked, each phase of the process, really how the body would deal with the cooling and how the body naturally got rid of the fat. And so it seemed pretty easy, and I decided to go ahead and try it. It's been a month, and I'm already seeing the results of the treatments. I have already lost 1.5 inches in a couple of the treatment areas, and I can visibly see the difference already.